Welcome to the spoken tutorial on getting started with the first Java program. In this tutorial, we will learn to create a simple Java program, to compile the program, to run the program, and about the naming conventions followed in Java. Here we are using Ubuntu version 11.10 and JDK 1.6. To follow this tutorial, JDK 1.6 must be installed on your system. If not, for relevant tutorial, please visit our website which is as shown. Alright, now let us write our first Java program. For that, you need a terminal and you need a text editor. I am using gedit as my text editor. In the text editor, we will first create the class Hello World. So type class Hello World. Hello World is the name of the class. Then open curly bracket, enter and close curly bracket. The code between these two curly brackets will belong to the class Hello World. Now save the file by clicking on Save icon at the top. It is a good practice to save the file frequently. So Save as dialog box appears. Browse the location where you want to save your file. Here in the home directory, I will create a folder. Let us name it Demo and press enter. Then inside this folder we will save the file. In the name text box, type the name of the class. In Java, the name of the class and the file name should be same. Recall that we created class Hello World. So we will save the file as hello world.java. .java is the file extension given to the Java file. Then click on Save button. So the file is now saved. Inside the class, we write the main method. So type public static void main parenthesis inside parenthesis string arg square brackets. Main function marks the starting point of the program. We will describe public static void and string in a future tutorial. Then once again open curly bracket, press enter and close curly bracket. The code between these two curly brackets will belong to the main method. We will now write a code to display a line on the terminal. So inside main method, type system.out.println parenthesis semicolon. This is the statement used to print a line. Semicolon is used to terminate a line. Now let us tell Java what to print. So within parenthesis, in double quotes, type my first Java program exclamation mark. Let us save the file by clicking on Save icon. Let's go to the terminal. Make sure that you are in the directory where you saved your hello world.java. Remember that I am in my home directory. So type cd space demo and hit enter. We see hello world.java file present in the demo folder. Let's compile this file. So type java c space hello world dot java and hit enter. This compiles the file that we have created. Alright, now the file is compiled. As we see, no error. We can see hello world.class file created. This file can run anywhere, that is on any operating system. We do not need Java compiler as well. Hence Java is rightly described as write once, run anywhere. So after successful compilation, run the program using the command java, this time no c, space hello world and no .java extension. Hit enter. You will get the output, my first Java program. So we have written our first Java program. Let us go back to the editor. Now remove the semicolon which is at the end of the statement. Click on save icon. Let's go back to the terminal. Run the command javac hello world.java. The compiler gives an error. It says a semicolon is expected on the 5th line. The up arrow points to the error statement. Let's go back to the editor. In Java, all statements are terminated with semicolons. So go to the 5th line and add a semicolon. Click on save icon. It is necessary to save the file before compiling. Let's go back to the terminal. Compile the file using javac hello world.java. The file is successfully compiled. As we see, no error. Now run the program using the command java hello world and we see the output, my first Java program. This is how you handle errors in Java. As the series progresses, we will learn more about the errors. We now see what are the naming conventions in Java. The class name should be in camel case, which means each new word begins with an uppercase. Example, class hello world, class chess game. So H of hello and W of world are in uppercase. Similarly, C and G of chess game respectively are in uppercase. The method name should be in mixed case, which means that the first word should begin with a lowercase and all new words followed should begin with an uppercase. Also, the method name should be a verb. For example, showString main go to help. Here S of show is in lowercase while S of string is in uppercase. The variable name should not begin with digits. We cannot use keywords for our class, method or variable name. For example, cannot use keywords like public, private, void, static and many more. So in this tutorial we have learned to write, compile and run a simple Java program. We also saw the naming conventions followed in Java. For self-assessment, write a simple Java program to print Java file name and class name should be same. To know more about the Spoken Tutorial project, watch the video available at spoken-tutorial.org/whatisaspokentutorial. It summarizes the Spoken Tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using Spoken Tutorials. Give certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at spoken-tutorial.org/nmeict-intro. We have come to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for joining. This is Prathamesh Salunke signing off. Jai Hind.